Hello everyone! In today's video we are going to learn short and long vowels. Do you know what are the vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and each of these vowel has two sound, short sound and the long sound. The question is, what are the long vowel sounds? The long vowel sound is the actual name of the letter, just like A, E, I, O, U. These are the long vowel sound. And the short vowel sound is the actual sound of the letter, just like A, E, O, A. So, each of these vowel has two sound, short sound and the long sound. Now let's look some examples with me. As I told you, for the short vowel sound we will use A, and for the long vowel sound we will use the actual name of the letter A. Short sound A and long sound A. In these examples we will learn how our word change from short vowel to long vowel. Now this is the letter B and its sound is B. B, A, D, bad. In this word we are reading short vowel sound for the letter A. B, A, D, bad. In this word I am reading A as long vowel sound. Bad. This is bad, but if this magic E comes here, we will use long vowel sound. We will say A. B, A, D, bad, and this E is silent. Next example is K, A, P, cap. But if this magic E comes here, we will say long vowel sound. K, A, P, cape. So this is cap. But if magic E comes here, we will say cape. So here is long vowel sound. A. Next example is D, A, N, Dan. D, A, N, Dan. Because this magic E changed the vowel, say its name. Dan. F, A, D, fad. F, A, D, fade. And this E is silent. Fade. F, A, T, fat. F, A, T, fate. G, A, D, grad. G, A, D, grade. H, A, T, hat. H, A, T, hate. Always remember this E is silent because this magic E changed the vowel, say its name. So this is A, hate. J, A, N, Jan. J, A, N, Jane. M, A, D, mad. M, A, D, maid. M, A, N, man. M, A, N, main. M, A, T, mat. M, A, T, mate. Now let's look short and long vowel I. As I told you, the short sound of I is A. A. And the long vowel sound of I is the actual name of the letter I. A, I. Now let's look some examples with me. B, A, T, bit. B, I, T, bite. As you can see here, this magic E changed the vowel, say its name. And this E is silent. Bit, bite. D, A, dim. D, I, dime. F, A, N, fin. I, n, fine. G, a, n, green. G, I, n, grind. You can see here I am reading I as long vowel sound in these words, and here I am reading short vowel sound A. D, head. I, d, hide. Kit. I, kite. Pen. I, pine. Quit. Quite. Red. Right. Rip. Ripe. Said. Side. Now let's look short O and the long O. The sound of short O is A. And the long sound of O is actual name of the letter O. O. Now let's look some examples with me that how a word change from short vowel to long vowel. G, a, b, glob. G, o, b, globe. This word is globe and this is globe because of the long sound of O. Globe. D, a, t, dot. D, o, t, dot. P, a, p, pop. P, o, p, pop. T, a, tom. T, o, tom. K, a, d, cod. K, o, d, code. H, a, p, hop. H, o, p, hop. A, t, not. O, t, not. A, b, rob. O, b, rob. A, d, rod. O, d, rod. K, a, p, cop. K, o, p, cop. A, p, lop. O, p, lop. In all these words, E is silent because this magic E changed the vowel, say its name. So this E is silent. And the last vowel is U, short U and the long U. As I told you, the short sound of U is A and the long sound of U is the actual name of the letter U. Short sound A and the long sound is U. Now let's look some examples with me. K, a, t, cut. K, u, t, cute. This word is cut because of this short vowel sound, cut. And here when magic E comes here, it will make the vowel say its name. So I am saying U, Q, K, U, T, cute. T, a, b, tub. T, u, b, tube. H, a, g, hug. H, u, ch, huge. The sound of J is G, but in this word we are reading J, huge. K, a, b, cub. Cube, cube. Duck, duck. Duke, duke. T, mut. Mute. Fuzz. Fuse. Mull. Mule. Us. Use. Cub. Cube. These are all examples for short and the long vowel sounds. Always remember the short sound is a, e, o, and the long vowel sound is the actual name of the vowel. A, E, I, O, U. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more lessons update. Thank you.